students, in this exercise we will start exercise 4.2. okay, like in previous exercise, that is also based on construction, but what is given in that exercise, that 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. But what we have to deal with in this exercise, the 3 sides dimensions are given of a given quadrilateral and 2 diagonals are given. Here you can see these are the 3 sides and these are the 2 diagonals. So here first diagonal is having 4 centimeter length, second diagonal is having 4.5 centimeter length. Means measurement of 2 diagonals are given, and along with that 3 sides measurement are given. First side 4 centimeter, second side 3 centimeter and third side 2.5 centimeter. So how to construct a quadrilateral when 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given? So let us see what we have to do. First draw LI 4 centimeter. Okay, step of construction means first you have to construct with the help of scale. LI how much centimeter? 4 centimeter by placing scale like this. Okay. Second step, with center L, what you have to take? You have to put your divider here, means center as L, and you have to take radius in your divider 2.5 centimeter, and you have to cut one arc like this. Okay, means center L, radius 2.5 centimeter, cut one arc like this. Okay, the next step what we have to do, see, with center I and radius 4 centimeter. Now we have to cut this arc. So what we will do, we will take center as I, means we will put our divider here on I, and taking radius 4 centimeter. See here it is written, means IT is 4 centimeter. So we will place our divider here and cut one arc like this, means by placing divider and cut one arc like this. That will intersect the previous arc and name it T. Means first arc like this, second arc like this, and these two will intersect each other at point T. Okay. After that, now I is the center, construct radius 3 centimeter, draw an arc. Now what we have to do, next step, take center I and radius how much? 3 centimeter. Put your divider here and cut one arc like this. Okay. With center I and radius 3 centimeter, place your divider here and cut one arc like this. Now next, for intersection of this arc, what you have to do? You have to place your divider here on L and taking radius how much? 4.5 centimeter. What we will do? Place your divider here on L, open it up to how much? 4.5 centimeter, and cut the previous arc at F. Already there is one arc which is of 3 centimeter. Now next arc with center L of 4.5 centimeter, cut it and name it F. Now when you will join LI, IF, FT and TL, along with that IT and LF, you will get your quadrilateral left. Okay. Same thing you have to do with quadrilateral gold. Okay. This is similar to previous one. So what we have to do? First LD 5 centimeter, then 7.5 centimeter, one arc here, 10 centimeter with center D, cut one arc like this here. 2 intersection points you will get. Now next, D is the center, radius 6 centimeter, cut one arc like this. Now for intersection of this arc, place your divider on L, radius how much? 6 centimeter, cut it like this. Okay, so you will get your quadrilateral gold. I hope it is clear for you all that how to construct the diagrams or the quadrilaterals when 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. If you don't know what is diagonal, so joining 2 vertex of the given figure are called diagonals. So what are the corners? First corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. So when we join 2 opposite corners, these are called diagonals. Okay. Now see, this is option third, which is different from the previous one. Rhombus bend we have to construct where dimension of 2 diagonals inside the rhombus is given. Okay, first diagonal is BN and second diagonal is DE. So for this what we have to do? See, first thing we have to construct DE how much centimeter? 6.5 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, construct one straight line DE having centimeter length how much? 6.5. So DE how much? 6.5 centimeter. After that what you have to do? With center D and radius more than half, cut arc both sides. Okay, see what you have to do. Now you have to take one, means you have to put your divider here on D and take any radius which is more than half of DE. See what is DE? Here is DE. Now see what we have to do. we have to divide the line into two equal halves. Suppose this is a line given DE. Okay, this is D and this is E. What you have to do, DA is how much centimeter? DA is 6.5 centimeter. So you have to place your divider here on D and take radius more than half of DE. Okay, by opening your divider you will easily get to know that what is more than half of DE. So okay, so put your divider here and cut one arc upside. So see, this is the first arc which is at P. Okay, this is the first arc which is at P. Now with same center D, cut another arc downside. So this is the second arc which is Q. Okay, with center D, cut one arc upside and cut one arc downside. Same procedure you have to apply with E. Means place your divider on E, cut one arc upside and cut one arc downside here. Okay. So from E, when you cut this arc, this will be like this, and from downside this will be like this. Name it P and Q. Okay, what you have to do? Name it P and Q. Now you will get one intersection point of DE. After constructing the arc, you will get one intersection point of DE. Name it as M. See here, name it as M. Now what is M? M is the midpoint of DE. The line DE having midpoint which is M. Okay, means we have divided the line DE into two equal half. This is the first equal half and this is the second equal half. Okay, now what you have to do? We know that what is the dimension of second diagonal? Dimension of second diagonal is 5.6. 6.5 already we have drawn. Now second diagonal is having dimension of 5.6. So what we will do, we will simply take out half of second diagonal. So what is the half of second diagonal? That is 2.8. Now what you have to do, place your divider on M. Here place your divider on M and cut one arc at this line PQ. Cut one arc at this line PQ. Of length how much? Of length 2.8. This will be how much? 2.8. Same thing you have to do downside. With center M and radius 2.8 cm, cut one arc downside. This is also 2.8. This whole line is P and Q. Where this line will intersect at 2.8 and 2.8, name it as N and B. Okay, this is 2.8, so name is at N, and this is 2.8, so name it as B. Now you will get all your points like this. Join DN, NE, EB and BD. So this is your rhombus. Okay, first step what you have to do, just construct one line DE, intersect this line. Okay, after see, again I am repeating the steps because this is a confusing one. Construct one line segment DE of how much centimeter? 6.5. Now take radius more than half of DE and cut one arc upside downside. Here also upside and downside. Now join this line. You will get one intersection point, name it as M. Now place your divider on M and cut this line at 2.8 centimeter. Same thing you have to do downside at 2.8 centimeter. Join this line, all the four lines, join this line, name it as N and name it as B. So this is your rhombus BE and D. I hope this exercise is also clear to you all. Thank you students.